ऑलराइट, हम लोग टोक्यो आ गए हैं एंड दिस इज़ almost where we are staying. I mean, I'm almost there where we are staying. For a city girl like me, मुझे जब ऐसे अच्छे अच्छे buildings, अच्छी अच्छी entrances दिखती है, I am very happy. This is the place we will be staying at. It is a very beautiful area. अभी अंदर देखते हैं क्या है. Let's see how it is. बहुत ही बढ़िया है इसका एंट्री लॉबी. तो हम लोग रप्पोंजी एरिया में हैं. एरिया, इसका एंट्रेंस एंड सब कुछ ही बहुत जोरदार है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ द रूम इज़. एंड यहाँ से हम लोग जो बाकी था बेसिकली टोक्यो का वो प्लान करने वाले हैं, जिसमें भी टाइम है. बट हियर्स द इंटीरियर्स. विल डू द चेक इन प्रोसीजर्स एंड सी हाउ द रूम इज़ लाइक. सो हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी और 3 दिनों के लिए हैं एंड फॉर वी मूव ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन. सो वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट एंड वेरी एक्साइटेड टू स्टे हियर एंड बी बैक इन टोक्यो. हमको 17th फ्लोर पे मिला है लिफ्ट. सो रेस्टोरेंट, साइकिलिंग, स्मोकिंग, लॉन्ड्रोमैट है ऑन 18F. लेट्स गो टू द 17th फ्लोर. Nice. Let's see. Okay. रूम की डाली. This is the room. ये इन्होंने robes दिए हैं यहाँ पे. And this is the changing area. That's the bed. The TV. Dressing. And इधर bathroom होगा. Which is very compact. Like I said before. ये hotel is a little compact hotel but beautiful for our stay. ये है हमारे रूम का व्यू. इधर से तो पूरा रिफ्लेक्शन दिखेगा but this is what it looks like. We are now going to do laundry. All right, so अभी हम लोग टोक्यो आ गए हैं. We are settled into our hotels, currently just chilling. And the thing that we did, the very first thing that we did after coming here was put our clothes to laundry. And this you can see on the screen there are 4 machines. So basically ये hotel में we are on the 17th floor and on the 18th floor there is laundry, onsen and swimming pool and an observation deck. Swimming pool is closed for the winters. Observation deck was open. We went there. It is more for the eyes than for the camera because of the reflection and मस्त पूरा टोक्यो का skyline दिखता है. And it is open air, so it was also very cold. तो हम लोग फटाफट नीचे आ गए and उसके बाद हमने हमारा laundry डाला. Now the way laundry is done over here is like I said, there are 4 machines over here and यहाँ पे each machine में कितना time है कितना कौन सा vacant है वो बताता है. So when we were to go, there was one vacant which now is being utilized by us. And 600 yen का wash plus dry cycle है for up to 3 kilos of clothes. Put our clothes in and we started that. Now we have 2 hours to kill till our laundry is done and then we'll probably head out and eat something. And just before I close out on this thought, this is how it looks. They are turning. हमारा जैसे बता रहा है 102 minutes left. That is how we know that it is done. हम लोगों ने वैसे तो टाइमर लगाया है जिसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, but if we were to step out and not see the television, this is how basically within the room you can see. बढ़िया है. And then there is onsen and onsen पे जाने के लिए it's a public onsen जिसके लिए men and women onsen is different. So उधर जाने के लिए of course the camera is not allowed since it's a public onsen. Neither is phone allowed. But they have given us their clothes which is like this. This is the belt, the black thing, and this is the robe. ये पहन के आना है वापस. खुद का टॉवल लेके जाना होता है. You have to, like I mentioned in Fuji Kawaguchiko, you have to wash yourself before you enter the onsen. Now for me, यहाँ पे Japanese culture में tattoos are not allowed. They have prohibited when you enter onsen. I have 2 tattoos and basically onsen mein when you go, you are supposed to enter without any bathing suits or without any covers on yourself. So all your tattoos that you have are no more hidden obviously. तो नीचे tattoo covers available है. My tattoos luckily are very small, so both tattoos will be कवर्ड ईजिली. रात को 2 बजे तक चालू है. तो हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं फॉर टुडे सिंस वी हैव नो प्लान्स फॉर द डे. We are going to do 3 to 4 things. One is laundry, which is already started. Second is grab something to eat. Third is probably end our night doing onsen because we have been tired walking a lot. And tomorrow onwards also we have to walk a lot. So wo karenge. And then fourth thing we are going to plan tomorrow. We have 3 days in Tokyo. We have to make the most of it. The fourth day we are staying very far away from Tokyo. We are staying near Narita where the airport is. वापस तो नहीं आने वाले. So the fourth day is basically late checkout from here, late check-in over there, pack our bags, sleep, wake up early and leave. But anyway, that is for later. अभी के लिए we have to plan tomorrow and that's what we are doing. फिलहाल हम लोग dinner plan कर रहे हैं. So the area we are staying in is called Roppongi area. It is a very expensive area. यहाँ पे वो team borderless, team lab borderless और वो सब यहाँ पे है. तो यहाँ पे इंडियन खाना फॉर एग्जाम्पल अंटिल नाउ आई वॉज ईटिंग 900 येन का बिरयानी. ओसाका में तो आई हैड 600 येन का बिरयानी बट दैट वॉज unusually less priced but amazing taste. So far best biryani I have had. I mean the only biryani actually I've had. And उसके बाद दूसरी जगह पे 900 to 1000 के बीच में हुआ करता था. A naan is usually 500 yen and a curry, a vegetarian curry which is paneer butter masala, chana, all that 1100 yen or 1200 yen max. ये Roppongi area में just to give you some reference यहाँ पे बिरयानी 2500 yen का है. And obviously when both of us go and if Leon is also having with me तो हम लोग सिर्फ बिरयानी नहीं खाएंगे. हम लोग थोड़ा स्टार्टर लेंगे, थोड़ा डिज़र्ट लेंगे, एक बिरयानी लेंगे. ये करते करते हमारा बैठे बैठे 10,000 येन हो जाएगा ऐसा लगता है. सो वी आर लुकिंग एट रेस्टोरेंट्स. वी आर फाइन टू गो वन ऑफ दीज डेज. हम जाएंगे बट इट इज़ नॉट सुप्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट टू गो टुडे. कल ही मैंने दाल फ्राई खाया था बढ़िया वाला इन क्योटो. सो माई टमी इज़ नॉट क्रेविंग फूड, मतलब नॉट क्रेविंग राइस. अभी आई कैन सर्वाइव ऑन सम मैदा एंड ब्रेड फॉर टुडे. फलाफल वाला ऑप्शन मिला. गिव्स यू दिस इल्यूजन दैट आई एम एनीथिंग ऑफ ट्रायल इन कंट्री वेयर नॉन-वेज ही नॉन-वेज है. वेज मुश्किल से दिखा है और मैं ट्राई करूँ. इनका एक्चुअली वीगन स्वीट्स इज लुकिंग सो यमी. ऑलराइट. So, oh, it's a fresh falafel vegan shop. So there's no non-veg. Ooh, I love veganism. One day I'll get there, but for now I'm vegetarian. See you from the vegan shop. हम लोग नीचे आ गए हैं and just look at the vibe. कितना मस्त है. Everybody is just out and there are great cars to look at. We are staying right opposite a 3-floored Ferrari showroom. Mast hai. It's so fun to watch all this. I love it. It is very windy, very cold, which is why I've worn my specs just so that मेरी आँखों पे कम लगे ठंडी. We both look same with the glasses. But we have come here to the restaurant. The restaurant's name is Falafel Brothers and I have ordered a wrap. Leon has ordered a sandwich and it's a vegan restaurant. So the table we are sitting at is a heart-shaped table. It's funny. And the vibe of the restaurant is very different to how Japanese restaurants are. And let's see, अभी मैंने guava juice मंगवाया है with ice. Which drink did you order? Which drink you ordered?
Ginger ale.
Oh, ginger ale. I ordered guava juice. And there's a bar and everything too, but we skipped it. Our food is here. That's Leon's.